Victoria, I'm very thankful. Isa pala sa mga suppliers ng models ng Aura Photoshoot ng agency mo. You know what? Napadali yung trabaho namin. Thank you.
Anything I can do to return the favor sa lahat ng tulong na nagawa mo sa amin noon.
Shall we start?
Let's?
Okay, so
Okay.
ikaw na bahala pumili sa kanila kung sinong believable.
I got you.
Okay, turn to your left. Smile.
Yan, si... Ito naman. Pwede sana, pero parang maliit lang eh.
Turn to your right.
She dyed her hair before. Black na ngayon. But that's her. Agent or what?
This one has potential.
Okay, return to the girls. Yes.
Shall we call?
Boys naman. Come in.
Shirts off po. Okay.
Yeah, they're from Major Crimes. And, yeah, Major Crimes.
Future crimes.
Kinda short.
Smile.
Sa
Okay.
Major Crimes siya. Agent Cervantes.
Smile.
Ako siya ng isa, actually.
Oh.
Smile.
We have an impressive lineup here. Bravi! Bravi, everyone! Thank you, thank you. Hindi mo naman sinabi na may modeling agency ka na rin pala, Director Franco?
Hindi naman.
They all look good, like true models. Sige.
Sinong napili mo?
I think I choose you,
Oh,
and ikaw, Iha. There.
that's it?
Yes. For the rest, thank you. You may now go. Thank you.
So, 3.
Yes.
3 agents. Isa, 3 agents. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Thank you, agents. Thank you, Victoria, for your help.
course.
Thank you, thank you.
Of course.
I really appreciate it. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you. I'm sure you'll do well. Thank you.
Isa, pwede ba tayo mag-usap? Alam kong ayaw mo ako makasama rito.
Wala, Martin, nakakaramdam ka na ngayon.
Look, Isa, hindi ko rin naman ginusto na pareho kami mapili.
Saan ang gagawin mo? Sisisihin mo sa akin. Kasi mission to ng firewall.
Hindi naman sa ganun, Isa. Andito ako dahil gusto ko makatulong sa inyo.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Isa, is there going to be any problem?
No, sir. Actually, I'm really happy, sir. Kasi tinutulungan kami ng ibang PBI agents sa mission ng firewall.
Good. Thank you.
Precious treasure box. Sa tindi ng security sa malapalasyong lungga ng Cassandra na yan, magagamit natin lahat ng to.
Tama ka dyan.
Sa tindi ng security nila, daig pa yung malalaking kumpanya.
Thank you.
Galo, sumama ka na. Ikaw ng representative ng modeling agency.
Anong representative?
Sa madaling salita, PA. Personal alaligan ng mga models doon.
Asus, baduy.
Ayaw mo, Galo? Ako na lang, Chief. Promise, pag may ginawang kalokohan si Leila at si Martin, susumbong ko sa'yo.
Ayun.
Dali na, Chief. Sama mo na ako. Observe lang naman tayo dun, di ba?
The more people we have inside, the better.
Diyan ka magaling eh.
Okay, si Cassandra Valdez ang primary suspect natin. Kung hindi siya, malamang someone who has access to the house ang nagpapatakbo ng scam na to.
Pwede yung assistant niya. Diba? Kung hindi si Cassandra, edi yung second in command. Panigurado may alam yun.
Tama, pwede. It could be either one of them. So investigate Cassandra and investigate her assistant. Either one of them will lead us to the scam operation.
Kopya, Chief.
Hi, guys.
Oo nga.
Isa, can we talk?